Now we're going to take a quick look at the alignment tool, which is another way to sort of arrange our objects within view. And to do this, I'm just going to actually load in just a couple of basic objects, just a little bit randomly throughout the scene. Control C to copy, Control V to paste, and I'll just keep copying and pasting different objects all over throughout the scene, and we want to have them aligned a little bit differently from each other. Okay, so now what we're going to do is select all of our new spheres. 1 through 4 are actually just sphere by itself, and then 1, 2, 3 if you look at the layers panel. And we're going to pull up the alignment tool, which is located down here above the wireframe selection. And this is a fully interactive tool, and what we can do is actually align to specific axes with these objects. So I can go ahead and select all of these different options for each axis, whether it be X, Y, or Z, and align these objects together. As you can see, they're joining up for the max of the Z alignment. They'll be centered, or minimum, and then we have just all of these different options. And of course they are affecting each other because of their original positions, but we can center all of these objects together, and then now on all axes we have all of these spheres all in the center. So you can play around with that to align certain objects if you want them to, of course, line up, and then we can always keep our first object in place, which has to do with which object we've actually selected first. And then we'll see that if we click center for all of these, it will center all of them to the first object that we selected, which was our first sphere.